Hey guys, it's Ishan and you are watching Data Science Devils. In a previous video, I talked about what is data exploration and the total 7 steps needed to achieve data exploration. I have also covered the first step, that is reading the data. Now in this video, I am going to cover the second step, that is variable identification. Now there are total 4 types of variables present in any data set in your data science project. There can be more types, but majorly these 4 types are present. The first two are independent and dependent, and the second two are categorical and continuous. Now there isn't any library or module present in Python which can help you identify dependent and independent variables that you have to identify using your own common sense, and that particularly depends on your preference. So those variables which you are trying to predict, that is your target variables, they are dependent and the rest becomes independent variables. So let's see. So this is a Jupyter notebook that I have covered in a previous video. So if you're new here, you can first check the previous video and later on come back here. So I have read the dataset using pandas read underscore csv function, and I have stored it in a pandas object df. So df.head will return me the top 5 rows. Now we were talking about variables. Okay, so the variables here are passenger id, survived, p class. They are also columns. Now let's say I want to predict whether a person selected randomly has survived out of the Titanic ship or not. So then my survived column will become dependent variable, and the other columns like passenger id, p class, these all will become independent variables. Now let's say I'm not predicting whether a person has survived or not. I am predicting the fare price of a cabin. Then the fare price column will become dependent variable and the other columns will become independent variables. So it's very simple. First you have to analyze which column you are trying to predict. So the column that you are trying to predict will become your dependent variable, and the other columns excluding that column that you are trying to predict will become independent variables. Now let's talk about categorical and continuous variables. So Python stores continuous variables as float or int and categorical variables as objects. So if I know the data type of one column or one variable, then I can easily identify them. So Python has one attribute called as dtypes. So if I will write my pandas object, that is df dot dtypes, and then if I will enter, not enter, if I will press shift enter, then I will get the column name and the data type which it contains. So as I can see, passenger ID is int64. So the type of passenger ID will be continuous, and the data type of name and sex is object. So it will be categorical variable. So it's as simple. Identifying variables in any data science project is very simple, but it is like one of the most important steps. So this video was this short only, as it contained only 4 types of variables, these 4 major types of variables. In my next video, I will talk about univariate analysis for continuous variables. So if you are learning something from my videos and from my playlist, so please subscribe to this channel, like this video and comment. If you have any doubt, I'll be like very much glad to clarify your doubts.